Have you ever set a big goal and not achieved? Or maybe you've set a goal, but just didn't know where to start. Well, you're not alone. In fact, research shows that around 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolutions. But here's the good news. Setting and achieving your goals is a skill you can master. So, stick around to know the actionable plans. Let's dive into it. The first step in setting goals is to make them specific and measurable. The more detailed your goal, the easier it is to track and achieve your target. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a specific goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week." This strategy is backed by research from the Dominican University of California, which found that people who set specific goals were 33% more successful in achieving them than those with general goals. Next, your goals need to be realistic, but still challenging. The key is finding a balance. Setting a goal that is too easy would not push you to grow, but setting one that is too difficult can lead to frustration. According to James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, goals are good for setting a direction, but systems are best for making progress. Moreover, he emphasizes that rather than worrying about the outcome, it's necessary to make daily habits and routines that will lead you to success. So, rather than just focusing on losing weight, create a system of consistent habits that align with your goal, like taking balanced meal, exercising regularly, and tracking your progress. Now, the next crucial part is breaking your goal into smaller steps. A research and study by the American Society of Training and Development found that you are 65% more likely to achieve a goal if you commit to it. But if you have an accountability partner, your chances increases up to 95%. So, tell someone about your goal or find a mentor to keep you on track. Never underestimate the bad eye, though. Finally, remember that persistence is key. Not every day will be a success, and setbacks are normal. Determination will keep you stick towards your goals. Think about it. Every successful person you admire, whether it's an athlete, entrepreneur, or artist, didn't achieve success overnight. They faced obstacles, learned from failures, and kept pushing forward. That's the power of perseverance. So, to recap, set specific, measurable, and realistic goals. Break them into smaller steps, and most importantly, stay persistent. Your goals are within reach. Take action today and watch yourself successful. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a motivational boost. Stay focused, stay motivated, till I'll see you in the next video.